Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Muhammad Yusuf Ali, working as Associate Librarian at Aga Khan University. I welcome you all in 6th Annual Collections Symposium. Today I will talk about the navigation of future challenges in collection development in AI-driven tools. And I'm very thankful to the Salvek reference services and as well as Illinoisuniversity to provide me an opportunity to sharing my ongoing research with you. And I begin with the quotation of William Pollard. He said, information is a source of learning, but unless it is organized, processed, and available to the right people in a format for decision making. And in a simple way, as per Avian said, the library collection development is a process of the systematically building of collection of a particular library to meet the needs of library user. And furthermore, collection development meets the information needs of library user in timely, economical manner by using information sources through purchase, subscription, and resource sharing. And there is some characteristics of the medical collection. And in terms of medical collection, it is evidence-based. It is an urgent requirement for the physicians and doctors, and medical collection is frequently updated. And then it's expensive compared to the other collection, obsolete after certain time period, and ethical and legal consideration when you write or purchase a medical collection or literature, continuously innovation and process, and it is all about the human life. And medical library users, you know that physicians, doctors, and resident, interns, medical students, researchers, faculty members, pharmacists, and paramedical staff. And what about the user needs? There is an unlimited demand of the user in medical university, and we have the limited resources. So how can we overcome these challenges? So we can overcome these challenges by through resource sharing and collaborative collection development. And medical library collection is being consist in a three mode, like physical collection and digital collection, and as well as the online collection. So if you go further, in a physical collection, we have the printed books in library and printed journals. And similarly, in digital collection, we have the digitalization of physical collection, like most of Pakistani printed journals. You can start the process of their digitalization and different reports which is published in the printed format. You can do the digitalization, development of the audio and video books. And in online collection, we can see that the development of electronic collection of electronic books, electronic databases, institutional repository, and the research collection. You can develop different statistical tools for analysis of the medical results. And similarly, systematic literature tools you have to purchase, like Rayan, Covidence, and Midriff, and Riffman, and etc. And the collection development tool, there is a different collection development tool we can use for the medical library collection, like the predictive analytics. Predicts future resources demand, identify high demand resources, forecasting emerging trends, personalized recommendation like suggested resources based on the individual performance, tailors and recommendation to user interest, automated curation like automated collection update, align collection with the current research and curriculum needs, and furthermore trends and identification, identifies emerging research topic, purchase material based on the rising academic fields, inventory optimization, optimize inventory management, adjust acquisition plan based on the predicted demand, sentiment analysis, analyze the social media and academic sentiments, track social discussion, guide acquisitions, automated deaccessioning, identify is outdated or underused material, recommended withdrawal of outdated resources. And the research questions are very simple. What are the perception of medical librarian about collection development, and how can AI tool help for the librarian in collection development? What are the advantage of AI tools in collection development of medical library, and what are the disadvantage of AI tools in collection development of medical library? And in first question, what are the perception of medical librarian about the collection development? Like physical collection development, AI powered resource selection and acquisition in transforming how libraries manage their collection, and automating decision making and predicting trends, and as well as optimizing purchasing choice and collection development, automating decision making in the collection development process refers to using computer algorithm and data analysis to automatically select material for a library collection. And Welders is predicting, it's a very wonderful article, trends in bookshelf in 2025. He predicting trends in that library physical collection will be reduced in 2025, focusing on the targeted content regarding the reading of full content. Screen reading will be increased in 2025, and audio and video books development will be enhanced. And optimizing purchasing choice, OPC, like power referred for the P1, people for the P2, and process for the P3, planning for the refer for the P4, and prevention for the P5. And what are the say that application in the librarian has power to negotiation. P2 refers as a specialized librarian who execute the procurement strategies. P3 refer process is the strategic sourcing, vendor selection, purchase order, and approval of workflow. P4 refer is the encompasses of demand forecasting, suppliers, market analysis, and prevention is emphasis the mitigating risk related to the cost, quality, delivery, and suppliers' performance. And subscription of electronic resources, we have should recommend for the analyze the journal metrics, article metrics, indexing benchmark of the renowned indexing sites like Web of Science, Scopus, and other, and impact and meaningful resources, future forecast, and those collection who can be buy and sustain for the future, and usage data of any collection. An electronic subscription machine learning is one of the most powerful technique in the resource selection process, and machine algorithm can analyze historical circulation data, usage statistics, external research trends, and predict future demand for the materials. What are the advantages of AI? Fast track selection, less human efforts, avoid duplicate and similar content, time saving, and complex tasks like perform listing and costing of the books. And disadvantage of AI tool for the collection development, displacement of the library staff and unemployment, ethical and privacy concern, security risk like cyber attack, and AI tools are expensive. And the challenges, if you use the AI tool for the collection development, prediction can be wrong due to the data manipulation. Reading trends can be changed because humans are unpredictable. Machine can be biased. Writing trends in threads collection development through AI tools like generative AI reduce the writing and research skills of the researchers and authors. And the limitation, it is a quantitative study with the emphasis for the sampling size and the limited discussion and description presented. And like AI, Exlibris, Ilma, WorldCat like WMS and other AI tool usage and application for the collection development and future studies. In future, quantitative study can be conducted for the usage of AI application for the data-driven tools in academic libraries collection, like big data and predictive analytics influence in the medical library collection. And conclusion of the studies, the future collection development in libraries are very challenging task for the librarian due to the limited funding and resources in LMICs, lower and middle income countries. And AI tools can be helpful to effective collection development, and library need to awareness about the AI tool for the library collection development. And there are few recommendations for this study, like medical library use of AI tool for the collection development, and electronic and digital contents are gradually increase in medical librarianship. Beside the collection development, medical libraries need to allocate specific AI software for the collection development, and research support software is also need for the medical librarians like the Covidence, Rayon, and MaxCorda. A site and keyboard is recommended for the library support to their user. And here is the references which is used to prepare this presentation. And thank you for your time and passion and listening this presentation. And here is a different social media platform. Through this you can connect, and if you have any query, so you can ask me. I will try to respond your answer. And thank you very much for your time and passion and listening this presentation. And once again, thank you for the Salveklibrary reference library providing me opportunity to present this presentation. That's it from my side.